Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install MySQL Community Server 9.7.2 LTS on this Windows machine. To download the software in Google search box, write there MySQL, then go on this mysql.com site. Then you need to scroll down MySQL Community Server. Let's click this, selecting MySQL 972 LTS. MSI file, zip file. Let's download the MSI file. Let's click this. No, thanks. Just start my download. So here you can see MySQL 972 Windows 64-bit MSI file is currently downloading. The total size 175 MB. So it will only take a few second times to complete this download. So this done. Thereafter, simply you need to click on this MSI file. Welcome to MySQL Server 97. Let's click on Next. I agree. Next. Complete. Install. Come from Oracle America. Click on Yes button. Installing MySQL Server 9.7. And this should be checked. And click on Finish. Come from Oracle America. Click on Yes button. And this all step, let's click on Next. 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 Root password you need to give. Thereafter, click on this Add User. Add them. Give their password. OK. Click on Next. 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 Create secure database. Word database. Next. And now click on Execute. So this all is there. Updating here, adjust, initializing the database, starting the server, creating user account. All steps successful. Click on Next. Finish. Thereafter, simply let's search here MySQL. Then you can get this command line. Let's click on this. Here, root password we need to give. This you can get there. 972 community server. So here you can write this queries. Select databases. This database that's come there. So here, writing use the keylog. Database chains. Let's use the key. Select a star, com, or employee. If employee table execute, okay, employees is not there. Okay. So let's give the table name actor. So actor table is there so that this return. So this is how we can do the installation of MySQL Community Server 972 LTS on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.